The way you plan your day shapes the way you live. This is how I built my own AI daily planner, right inside Notion. It starts with a blank page, an emoji, a title. That's all it takes to begin. Next, I add a quick how-to section. 5 steps. Simple, clear, repeatable. This is where I set up the input area. Right below, I build the core, a prompt box. It repeats the inputs and tells the AI exactly what to do. Once the inputs are in, I click Continue Writing. The plan appears in seconds, structured, focused, and just right for the day ahead. And this is the finished page, a daily plan, fully personalized, built with one prompt, and a little help from Notion and AI. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.